Very good morning, Vivites. A very happy Monday morning to everyone. A very good morning, Ms. Shruti, Mr. Rudresh, Mr. Naveen, Yadagiri Garu, Shan Bros. A very good morning, Charu Gupta ji, Kamal Kakodia. A very good morning, Sairam, Sita Sandy, Dinesh Sharma ji, Samdhani Sheikh, Sangeeta Rana ji. A very good morning, Jai Shri, Peddanna, Deepanjali Das, Madhu Uppuji. Very good morning, Gina Fernandez, Vanjit Subramanian. I hope my video and audio are clear to everybody. A very good morning to all Vivites. A very good morning to Satpal, Trisha Thakur, Raj Babu Kishore. A good morning to Madhu, Satpal Kaundal, Sanjay Negi. A very good morning to everyone. Very good morning, Mr. Arjun, Mr. Rahul. I hope my video and audio are clear to everyone. I would like to welcome you all to this continuous Facebook Live series, Ask the Doctor. I hope everyone is getting benefited by watching this and most of your doubts have been clarified. I appreciate your honest listening and watching the Facebook Live series. A very good Monday morning to everybody. And as everyone knows, this is the Monday morning and this is the iPulse day. Well, my dear friends, a very good morning to everyone. Good morning, Mr. Ajit, Ms. Archana, Mr. Ragind, Daniel Joseph, Ms. Priya Shivaram, Dr. Sanjay ji, Namaskar, Junaid, Amal, Mr. Manoj. A very good morning to all Vivites again. I hope everyone is watching this and getting benefited out of this. If someone else is not watching this or not able to watch this at this point in time, please share this link to them so that they also get benefited by watching the Facebook Live series. Good morning, Ms. Asha, Ms. Bhavani, Harish Kumar, Jay Kumar. A very good morning to all Vivites. Well, this is the iPulse day again. Well, as previously I was discussing, I would come up with a small topic on iPulse which is relevant to the present scenario. And these are the things which are promotional tools to all the direct sellers. So you have to use this as your promotional tools to sell the products in the market. Because nowadays people are looking into the newspapers. They are all blogging a lot. They have all become tech savvy these days. So it is always good for you Vivites to be more tech savvy and promote the products in a very, very technological, digital way. I hope my point is clear to all. Well, my dear friends, I would like to start the product description right now. Well, as I've said previously as well, you can start shooting me your questions from now onwards till I end my session on the topic, which lasts for some 5 or 6 minutes. Suppose that I will be able to take up your questions. So there were some questions which were left unanswered last week. So my colleagues have noted it down for me. So initially I will be answering them, followed by the questions that I received this week. Well, my dear friends, start shooting your question. Thereby, I would like to start the topic. Please listen to the topic as well. Well, iPulse. As everybody knows, iPulse is the flagship product of the company. In the last session, I was discussing about the acai berry. Well, this session, I would like to talk about two important points in which acai berry or iPulse as a product is very important. So these two are the major promotional tools that you have in your hand so far as the current scenario is concerned. Well, the first point is immunity. The second point is cardio protection. Well, everybody is talking about immunity these days. But we should also not forget that iPulse is a very important product for protecting your hearts. It is a very good cardio protective product as well. Well, my dear friends, I am going to talk about two important points, immunity and cardio protection. This is very important. Well, before I go into the topics, let's have a look at the current affairs which is happening around the world. There is an important magazine in the Europe called as the Nutra Ingredients. The Nutra Ingredients is one of the top selling internet as well as the print based magazine which talks about the ingredients in the continent of Europe. So the article says like this, immunity and holistic wellness. The heading of the article, if you see, it is called as immunity and holistic wellness. Well, my dear friends, Indus Viva is actually a holistic wellness company which is having its products which are frontline immune booster products. I hope you understood the point that I was talking about all these days, as Indus Viva's products are immune boosting products. Well, the same thing I am telling you here also. Even the article says the same thing, immunity and holistic wellness. See, immunity is not related to one part of your body or one organ of your body. It is called as holistic immunity. So the immunity has to spread from head till the toe. This is what is exactly called as holistic immunity, and all the Indus Viva products are called as holistic immune booster products. I hope you got my point clear. Well, the article says worldwide demand for immunity products is likely to deliver a permanent new norm of higher growth than other types of dietary supplements in the market. See, these people have done a survey throughout the world now. After the COVID breakdown has happened, as well as post-COVID, even each and every person in the world is looking for a holistic immune boosting product. They are not looking for anything else. They are actually looking for a holistic immune boosting product, and we are front runners in it. That's what I would like to tell you. Well, the next article that I am going to speak here is, it was published in the Hindu on April end. The article was published in the Hindu in one of the editions. So, how does the immune system respond to a coronavirus attack? This is very important. Suppose there is coronavirus cases all around you. How your immune system is responding to this? Well, everybody knows that everyone has an immune system inside the body. Well, even if you suffer from a single cough or a cold or a simple flu for that matter, your immune system will trigger inside. Your immune system will start producing the antibodies which will fight away these viruses. Well, suppose if your immune system is weak, always you need to build up your immune system by taking immune boosting supplements, because they are called as dietary immune boosting supplements. Whenever your immunity is on a low, always fill your gap with immune boosting supplements so that your immune still becomes strong and provides resistance against the harmful bacteria and virus. Well, my dear friends, I would like to tell you one more thing here. The most highlighting point of this article was, they have compared the male and female ratio of getting affected with coronavirus and its symptoms in the country of India itself. I think if someone has not gone through this paper, probably if you get this April end editions of this Hindu, you can just have a look at it actually. See, the scientists suggest that mortality statistics globally as well as in India suggest that men are twice more likely than women to succumb to a COVID-19 infection, which means that men are more likely to succumb to COVID-19 infection as compared to women. See, why I am telling you this point is, women usually contain a hormone called as estrogen. Estrogen is a hormone which is responsible for various activities in a woman. But estrogen is also a very, very good immune booster in itself, which means that women are less likely to suffer from any kind of COVID-19 symptoms as compared to males. This is actually an established fact. So women, so please be happy with this, but don't have to take it on a very lighter note. So everybody is getting affected, but still men are getting affected more, even if you see the statistics in India. So this is one of the important information that everyone has to know about COVID-19. Well, there was another article which was published in CNN on May the 22nd. You might be knowing about this, some of you might be knowing about this, but still I want to reiterate this point here. Everybody has a passport, someone might not have a passport, some people have passports with you, right? It might be a normal passport, it may be a diplomatic passport, it may be a sports related passport, whatnot. Well, my dear friends, I would like to tell you, majority of the big countries in the world, the developed countries in the world are developing something called as immunity passports. If you are really interested to know about this, you can actually study them on the internet blogs. Immunity passports. In fact, US had done this quite long before. You must be knowing about a disease called as yellow fever. Whoever is going to or traveling to African continents, they have to be immunized with yellow fever vaccines, right? Only when if you are immune towards yellow fever, then they will allow you to go to your country, to the country in Africa, or come back to your own country. So this is exactly called as immunity passports. Who knows? Even in India in future, immunity passports can come over. So now also you have an app called as Arogya Setu in India, which the government is actually making mandatory. But in Arogya Setu, we are all declaring it by ourselves. It is called a self-declaration what we are doing. There is no testing which is happening there. Well, in case of immunity passports, what exactly happens is, suppose if someone has suffered a coronavirus disease, normally the antibodies will develop inside the body against the disease, right? Whoever suffers from a coronavirus disease, the antibodies usually develop within the body. Such people cannot be prone to another episode of coronavirus. That is actually the scientific thinking, but still it doesn't really hold good. What people will do in future coming days is, normally they can develop these immunity passports within our country itself, and everyone needs to get tested for the disease. Suppose if the kits are available, and only by showing these passports, you will be able to go outside of your house, you can work outside, or you can travel to the foreign countries and do whatnot. This might happen in future. See, that is the reason why developing immunity is the most important thing. Why I am telling you all these other factors is, I'll coming to the back to the pavilion. It is always developing immunity is the most important thing. Once you develop the immunity, all such things are definitely not required in future. That is the reason why I am telling you, develop your immunity first, make your immunity strong, so automatically you will not suffer from any kind of a disease in future. This is what exactly is called as immunity. I hope you got the point. Well, the next thing that I am going to tell you here is, I had told this before, but I want to stress upon more of this point, because a retired ICMR, Indian Council of Medical Research virologist, Dr. Jacob John, he has told that by the end of August, Indian people can develop herd immunity against the disease. Indian people can develop herd immunity against this COVID disease. But again, until and unless if your immune system is properly not responding, we will not develop herd immunity actually. Suppose if we are sitting back at the houses and not venturing out, and we are fearing about the things, herd immunity will not develop until and unless you take some immune boosting supplements. Suppose if you people really want to come out, have their proper work done and the economy to boost, ultimately every one of us have to be immune to the disease. We have to develop resistance to the disease. In order to develop resistance to the disease, it is always important that we take a lot of immune boosters on a daily basis. I hope you got my point. And all our Indus Viva products are immune boosting products. I hope my point is clear, my friends. Well, going ahead, there is something called as antioxidants and immunity. Well, everybody knows that iPulse is an antioxidant product, right? Antioxidants and immunity have a very good relationship with each other. If someone asks you, you are selling this product as an immune boosting product, how do you justify this? Because this is one of the best tools that you have, promotional tools that you have to sell this product at this point of time. But how do you justify this? You need to justify this in this way. Antioxidants in the iPulse are related to immunity. This is the first sentence that you have to tell. Followed by this, I would like to tell one statement which was told by our Honorable Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi in his address back in the month of April. He clearly stated that, this was actually published in the BBC also. He said that to strengthen immune systems in order to protect themselves from COVID-19, you have to strengthen your immune system, and please follow the guidelines which are issued by the Department of Ayush, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India. This was actually told. The departments of Ayush, the systems of Ayush were actually promoted mainly for supporting or boosting your immunity, so that you will not be able to suffer from any kind of such viral afflictions in the future. I hope you got my point clear. This was how it was pushed out. This was actually a major promotional strategy which was given by the government of India itself. I hope you got my point. Well, I'll tell you one more thing, technically speaking now, how antioxidants are related to immunity. You might be knowing what antioxidants are all about, right? Dietary antioxidants. iPulse is actually called as a dietary antioxidants, which means that you are taking antioxidants from outside, right? So, the functions of the human immune system are dependent on adequate intake of antioxidants. Your immune system is dependent on adequate intake of antioxidants. So, the antioxidants such as polyphenols, which are present in fruits like acai berry, these are called as natural antioxidants. What they do is, they will be able to neutralize the free radicals by giving up their electrons, which means that whatever the virus or the bacteria which is entering into your body will lead to the formation of free radicals, right? So, antioxidants are the molecules which will neutralize the free radicals. Whenever the free radicals are neutralized, automatically your virus or bacteria will die or will go out of the body. This is what exactly antioxidants are actually doing inside the body. See, antioxidants are naturally present in iPulse. These are all natural antioxidants which can neutralize the free radicals inside your body, thereby boosting your immunity levels, so that you will not suffer from any kind of viral affections or viral diseases in the future. I hope you got my point clear here. So, my dear friends, going ahead, there are various antioxidants in the diet also that you can have. See, apart from iPulse, drinking iPulse, you can also have other sources of antioxidants daily in your diet. For example, regular consumption of green tea, eating of strawberries, or even using of onions, oranges, citric fruits, dark chocolates, green leafy vegetables like spinach, kale, all these things definitely will boost your immunity. It is the time when your immunity has to be boosted to such an extent that you will not be able to suffer from any kind of disease in future. I hope you got my point clear. Well, my dear friends, the next thing what I am trying to talk about here is acai berry itself. In one of the articles which appeared last year, they had predicted this problem. They had told that in any case of an epidemic or pandemic, the use of superfruits like acai berry will increase in the world. And it has happened today actually. It has certainly happened today. The demand for superfruits like acai berry from South American countries have increased like anything across the world. Various companies in the Western world are venturing into manufacturing products which contain acai berry today. And my dear friends, we should be proud as Indus Viva that we have our flagship product iPulse, which contains the best acai berry in the world. And this is your best promotional tool so that the immunity can be increased. I hope you got my point clear. Well, my dear friends, going ahead, antioxidants and heart health. See, this was what I was supposed to talk about, immunity. The second thing that one should not forget when you are promoting iPulse is the heart health. Okay, we are all talking about immunity these days, but do not forget heart health, because that is also very, very important in the human body. Well, there was an article which appeared on May the 17th, 2020 in Times of India. How COVID-19 could damage your heart. See, again I am trying to relate this cardiac issue to the pertaining scenario, the present scenario of COVID-19. How COVID-19 can damage your heart. This is also important. See, I'll tell you one thing. In New Delhi, there was an article which was published in Times of India, the New Delhi edition. COVID-19 is known to damage the lungs. Everybody knows this, right? Ultimately, the virus is damaging your lungs. But there is an emerging concern over the effect of viral infection on the heart also. According to the Cardiological Society of India, it is called as CSI, Cardiological Society of India, the studies have shown that 20 to 30% of patients who are hospitalized due to COVID-19 have a previous history of heart disease. This is important. 20 to 30% of patients who are in the wards of COVID-19 are having previous history of heart disease. So your second promotional strategy must be promote the product as a heart protective, thereby you can protect that particular person from getting affected with the virus. I hope you understood the point. Your promotional strategy should be an indirect promotional strategy. You are protecting the human heart, by which you are also protecting the human body from the virus. I hope you got my point. These are the two important ways that you have to promote the product. One is the immunity point, second is the cardio protection. This is how you need to promote the product. I hope you got my point clear. So, the next thing that I want to talk about the heart protection here is, patients with pre-existing heart disease are mainly at the coronavirus risk, pre-existing heart disease. It might be a simple heart disease or a complex heart issue as well. This is because the COVID-19 infections can cause new complications in the heart, especially in the heart muscles. See, everybody knows that heart is also an organ which is composed of muscles. COVID-19 virus can cause damage to the heart muscles also. This is a new research which has happened around the world, and most of the people who are affected with this disease or going to be affected with this disease are because of this particular virus causing damage to the heart muscles. So, definitely with the help of a product like iPulse, you can protect your heart so that they will not be able to have any kind of a problem with heart muscles in the future, or the complications can be protected or prevented. I hope this point is clear. Well, my dear friends, the next thing that I am going to talk about here is regarding the heart protection itself. As you all know that acai berry is an ingredient which is actually used in the product iPulse. What in acai berry is actually helping in cardiac protection is the next question. So people will ask you, so what is acai berry containing so that it is protecting your heart? So you should have an answer for that. The answer for that is, acai berry basically contains two types of elements. The first thing is called as polyphenols. Acai berry contains polyphenols, which are nothing but the antioxidants. Acai berry is nothing but polyphenols, which is nothing but antioxidants. The second element which comes under the polyphenols is called as anthocyanins of acai berry. Anthocyanins are nothing but coloring pigments. Acai berry is purple color to look at. The purple color of acai berry is because of anthocyanins. Similarly, orange is orange to look at. The color of the orange is because of anthocyanins. Banana is yellow to look at. The color of banana is yellow because of anthocyanins. I hope you got my point. The color of the fruit is always decided by the presence of anthocyanins. So, basically, acai berry has two important substances. One is called as polyphenols, second is called as anthocyanins. Both of them are called as antioxidants, and at the same point of time, these are the two elements which are very good cardioprotective ingredients also. If someone asks you how acai berry is useful for heart diseases, you have to have two answers. It has two elements. One is polyphenol, second is anthocyanins. Both of them are in combination are very good cardioprotective agents. I hope you understood my point. Well, regarding the heart disease itself, if someone asks you how exactly this product has to be promoted. See, heart disease is not one. So there is nothing called as heart disease as a single disease. Heart disease is nothing but a disorder which is a combination of many diseases. That is exactly called as heart disease. So I'll be able to talk about this in future coming FB lives also, but I'll start with a bird's eye view of what exactly the risk factors for heart disease is. First thing is diabetes. Second is smoking. The third thing is chewing the tobacco. The fourth is blood pressure. Fifth is high cholesterol or family history of cholesterol. Lack of exercise. Unhealthy eating habits. Stress or lack of sleep. Breathlessness. Then swelling in the legs. Puffiness of the face. Excessive tiredness or fatigue. Bloating. Weight gain. So these are actually the risk factors of heart disease that we are seeing around the world today. So my dear friends, no one will tell you that I have a heart problem. You have to identify this by all these symptoms. These are actually the set of symptoms that you need to identify the heart disease with. That is how the product promotion has to be done. It should not be target oriented. Okay, you should see all these side symptoms and then you have to decide that, okay, whenever you ask the person, definitely among this 15 symptoms or 20 symptoms what I have told you now, at least 3 or 4 will be positive. I hope you got this point clear. This is how the product has to be promoted. You have to tell them that if you have diabetes or hypertension, definitely in 1 or 2 years to come, your heart muscles are going to get weak. That is why prevent the complications of heart disease, protect your heart so that you will not suffer from any kind of cardiac diseases in future. I hope you understood my point. This is how the promotion has to happen. I hope you got the point clear. Well, as I have told you, how does a heart problem happen? Again, I am coming to the problem of free radicals. I have told you, free radicals can be anything in the body. Even a simple bacteria or a virus entering in your body can result in the formation of free radicals. Similarly, when the free radicals are increasing in your heart, automatically it leads to cardiac disease or heart problems. I hope you got the point. So, iPulse is a product which is going to neutralize your free radicals so that all the free radicals in your heart can be neutralized and destroyed so that your heart can be protected. I hope now you got the connection between antioxidant and cardiac disease or heart disease. I hope, my dear friends, so this was a point that I was actually trying to speak about so far as cardiac protection is concerned. And apart from this, I would like to end this short topic of cardiac protection with 3 major indications, 3 major benefits that iPulse is going to exert on the heart. The first thing is iPulse will strengthen your heart. It will make your heart strong. Second thing is it will inhibit your platelet aggregation, which means that the formation of the clot in the heart can be prevented. The third thing is it will reduce the increased cholesterol levels in your heart. This is how iPulse is going to benefit in case of cardiac diseases or simply for the protection of heart. iPulse is a very good product. So, my dear friends, as you have seen, there are 2 important things that you have to see so far as understanding of the promotional strategies of iPulse is concerned. One is the immunity. The second most important thing is cardio protection. I hope both the points are clear to you all. Well, my dear friends, with this I would like to end this short topic on immunity and cardio protection. So let me start with taking the questions of last week first, followed by this week questions. So today my colleague Santoshini has collected the questions. So let me start with the questions now. So the first question that I am seeing here on the screen is one of the questions which is asked by, okay, so sir, I am suffering from low BP, consuming iPulse continuously after childbirth. It is a cesarean section delivery, please suggest. Well, my dear friends, one thing I would like to tell you here in case of low blood pressure. Always in case of low blood pressure, iPulse has to be taken half an hour after the food is always better, not before the food. Most of you might be knowing this. I've told this during my sessions on the stage as well. It is always better to consume half an hour after the food in cases of lower blood pressure, because the fruit juices or fruit concentrates always help to normalize or neutralize the blood pressure after you take the food. That is how it is. Okay, the next question I am seeing here is psoriasis. In case of psoriasis, how iPulse is useful? Well, my dear friends, I would like to tell you this again. Psoriasis is an autoimmune disease. It does not have a cure. Always psoriasis is a palliative disease. It can only be controlled or managed. I always tell you to take care of your skin health externally also and also by the consumption of iPulse, so that both factors contribute in managing this disease. I hope you got this point. The next question that I am seeing here is it helpful for increasing the hemoglobin and vitamin B12 deficiency? Definitely yes. Even in case of low blood pressure or lower hemoglobin levels, definitely iPulse is a very good product. And even in case of low hemoglobin levels, it is always suggested to take half an hour after your food so that the hemoglobin levels can improve. So the next question that I am seeing here is it suitable for sugar patients? Absolutely yes. As I have told you, this is a product which is made up of sugar which is inherently present in the fruits, otherwise called as fructose. And in our product, we add something called as the low DI fructose, low dextrose equivalent fructose. So even though we have added all these things, it is always better for everyone to consume 20 ml of iPulse in the morning and 20 ml in the evening, so far as diabetes patients are concerned. So not everyone exactly. So far as the diabetes patients are concerned, it is always suggested to consume 20 ml twice daily, half an hour before the food. So the next question that I am seeing here is, so when we open the bottle, the fungus will come. See, this is a quality issue that someone is asking. My dear friends, I have already told you, and most of you are mailing me directly also. See, if there are any quality issues like contamination issues, we are taking outrightly, we are taking the stringent action on the product and we are replacing it. And again, I want to reiterate this point here. We are following stringent quality policies as Indus Viva, and the stringency is going to increase like anything in future also, as Indus Viva is having its own manufacturing now. So hope my point is clear. So we will not budge on any kind of quality issues in future. Well, the next question that I am seeing here on the screen is, can we take iPulse in case of migraine issues? Definitely yes. I hope I have answered this question in one of the other sessions also. Migraine is a kind of a neurological problem, and in any case of neurological issues, antioxidants play a very important supportive role. So automatically such issues can definitely be supplemented or managed with the help of antioxidants. Well, my dear friends, this is what the questions that I had for last week. So I'll just take up the questions which have come for this week today. So the first question is from Ms. Priya Shivaram. Is iPulse helpful for people with neurological issues in 70 years age group? Well, my dear friends, I would like to tell you one thing. Anything above 70 years of age is not quite manageable only with the help of supplements. They have to have a good lifestyle along with the use of supplements. So definitely you can use the products, but along with the lifestyle as well as diet also has to be properly maintained. Only then the product will be helpful. So the next question is from Ms. Uma Devi. Can iPulse be used if diabetes is not in control? Definitely, as I have told you, 20 ml twice daily for any diabetic patient, iPulse can be used safely. So the next question I am seeing from Ms. Payal Sindhwani. Can iPulse help in severe foot pain due to nerve problem? As I have told you, in any case of neurological issues, iPulse is a very good product. So the next question that I am seeing from Mr. Rupesh Kumar. Some people have told me that they have observed increased hunger after starting the usage of iPulse. Well, there is nothing like that. We have not received any kind of a case that the appetite or hunger is increased after taking iPulse. No, we have not seen any such kind of a case before. We would suggest you to consume more and more water in a day after you consume iPulse. So the next question that I am seeing here from Ajay Kumar. So can it be used in cases of pain, especially in backbone and downwards to the leg? Yes, in any case of neurological problems, antioxidants play a very important supportive role so that you can manage the condition. Well, the next question from Mr. Kabilesh. Can we recommend iPulse for autism? See, I would like to tell you one thing clearly, my dear friends. In any case of genetic diseases, wellness products can only improve the quality of life. It cannot tackle the condition directly. It can only improve the quality of life. In order to improve the quality of life, I always suggest to give the wellness products. I hope you got my point clear. So the next question that I am seeing here is iPulse recommended always before food? Is there any reason? Well, I have told you this clearly. Whenever there is hemoglobin loss or in case of low blood pressure, it is always advised to give iPulse half an hour after your food. In any other case, it has to be given half an hour before the food only for better absorption. I hope you got my point clear. So the next question I am seeing here from Bindu Madhavi. How much dosage of iPulse should be used in chronic liver disease? The dosage remains the same. It is 30 ml twice half an hour before food for better absorption purposes. So the next question that I am seeing here is from Ms. Priya Shivaram again. Is there a possibility for iPulse to be available in sachet form? No. At this point in time, only the bottles of iPulse are sold, and that is the only thing that we are going to sell for some time in future as well. Well, the next question that I am seeing here is, why did not take water with our products? Now, I'll just try to reframe this question. This is from Mr. Yadavalli Ram. So I'd like to tell you one thing here. Why to take water with our products? Actually, if I have to reframe the question, what is the need of consuming water after taking our products? Well, this is a good question actually. I'd like to tell you this, my dear friends. Detoxification is the first process which is going to happen after we consume our products. For effective detoxification, you need to flush out the toxins out of your body. Always water is a very important tool. That is the reason why if you consume around 3.5 to 4 liters of water on a daily basis, it will help in flushing out of the toxins. Along with it will help the product to work properly inside your body. The absorption and the assimilation of the product happens properly in the body, so that the good results can come out. This is what exactly happens when you consume more water on a daily basis. So this was the last question of the day, my dear friends. Well, I hope I've given you enough information on cardio protection and immunity as a promotional tool today. So well, I hope everyone has got the knowledge about this particular aspects. And don't worry if your questions are not answered today. I promise that the next Monday, which is an iPulse day, I will be again taking the questions which were left out today, along with the new questions on that particular day as well. Well, my dear friends, this is for it today. This is Dr. Balu Kolar, Head of Product Development and Training at Indus Viva Health Sciences Private Limited, Bangalore, India, speaking you live from the desk at Indus Viva Tower. Thank you very much for your patient listening. Have a nice day. Bye. Thank you.